Living in a tiny apartment doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or style. These viral Amazon finds are designed to save space, stay practical, and make every inch of your home work smarter. From foldable furniture to hidden storage hacks, these clever ideas are total game changers for small spaces. All products and prices are linked in the description below. It's more than just a mirror, it's your personal beauty station. This swivel jewelry cabinet hides a full storage system behind its sleek, full-length mirror. Open it up and you'll find LED lighting, a lockable jewelry organizer, and even a charging station for your styling tools. The back shelves give you bonus space for makeup or accessories. It's elegant, functional, and turns your routine into a mini luxury moment. Need extra storage but short on space? This folding Ottoman bench is your new secret weapon. It opens up to hide away blankets, clothes, or books, then folds flat when you don't need it. Strong enough to hold up to 660 pounds, it doubles as a comfy seat or footrest. With its tufted linen look and soft foam top, it adds both style and function to any room. A true design classic that folds with flair. This vintage folding chair turns simple functionality into art. Created in the late 70s, its sleek lines and clever folding mechanism make it both practical and collectible. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to move, store, or display. A perfect blend of mid-century design and timeless innovation that still feels modern today. Small room? No problem. This clever folding wall desk gives you a full workspace that disappears when you're done. Just pull it down to reveal a sturdy surface, storage drawer, and built-in shelves for your essentials. When you're finished, it folds up neatly into the wall, leaving your space clean and open. Perfect for studying, working, or even doing your makeup right where you need it. Who says comfort can't be stylish? This mid-century futon sofa bed brings both charm and practicality into your space. During the day, it's a cozy spot to lounge or watch TV, and by night, it easily folds down into a comfortable bed for guests. The firm foam cushions and sturdy wood frame keep it supportive, while the plush velvet finish adds a touch of luxury you'll love. It's not just a coffee table, it's a multitasking masterpiece. This large square Ottoman doubles as hidden storage, a comfy footrest, and even a spot for your laptop or snacks. The lift up top opens smoothly with a safety hinge, revealing a spacious compartment inside. Upholstered in soft, durable linen-style fabric, it adds both comfort and class to your living room. Functional, elegant, and built to last. Looks like a regular entertainment center, right? But with one smooth pull, the whole thing transforms into a full-size Murphy bed. The built-in TV and sound bar make it look like a sleek media wall when it's closed, blending perfectly into your living space. The thin connection system keeps wires hidden for a clean setup. And when you're ready to rest, it unfolds into a cozy, comfortable bed in seconds. When space is tight, smart design makes all the difference. This foldable wall-mounted desk flips down into a sturdy workspace and folds back up into a sleek cabinet when you're done. Built-in shelves and hooks keep books, supplies, and decor neatly stored. It's strong, stylish, and perfect for home offices, dorms, or bedrooms. You'll love how it turns even the smallest corner into a functional workspace. This extendable drop-leaf table is the ultimate space saver for small homes. It easily transforms from a compact console to a full dining setup that can seat a group when guests come over. The built-in drawers and shelves give you extra room for cutlery or kitchen essentials, while the lockable wheels make it easy to move around. Sleek, sturdy, and multifunctional, perfect for modern apartment living. Your guest room just became a masterclass in space saving. This queen-sized Murphy bed folds neatly into the wall, transforming your room from bedroom to office or gym in seconds. Built-in closet shelves keep clothes, books, and decor organized and within reach. The sturdy frame and flexible slats make it just as comfy as a regular bed. Stylish, practical, and perfect for small apartments or multi-purpose spaces. Bring your room to life with light that moves to your mood. This smart LED floor lamp syncs with your music, shifting colors and brightness to match every beat. You can control it hands-free through Alexa, or with the app, just say the word or tap a scene. With 16 million colors and 58 dynamic modes, every night feels different. Sleek, modern, and bright, its ambiance made effortless. Small kitchen? Big solution! This clever space-saving dining set gives you a full table and 2 stools that tuck neatly underneath when you're done. The drop leaf opens up extra space for meals, coffee breaks, or even a quick work session. 2 built-in drawers keep your utensils or napkins right where you need them. And with smooth rolling wheels, you can move it anywhere with zero hassle. Tired of digging through a messy toolbox? This magnetic screwdriver organizer keeps every tool right where you need it. It holds up to 12 screwdrivers, and you can connect multiple units to build your perfect setup. The magnetic base locks it firmly in place, even when drawers slide open. And the bright orange tab instantly shows if something's missing, so you stay organized and never lose a tool again. Your morning routine just found its new headquarters. This 5-tier coffee bar stand turns any small corner into a cozy cafe setup. You've got space for your coffee maker, mugs, snacks, and even a few plants for that warm touch. The metal frame and wood shelves give it a sturdy, rustic charm, while the S-hooks keep your essentials hanging neatly. Perfect for kitchens, entryways, or living room sits organization with style. Tiny parts? Big mess? Not anymore. This 44-drawer organizer keeps every screw, bolt, bead, and wire exactly where you want it. You can stack it or mount it on the wall, whatever fits your space best. Each smooth sliding drawer makes finding what you need quick and easy. Whether it's for crafts, hardware, or office supplies, this cabinet turns chaos into perfectly labeled order. Small space? No problem. This compact dining set for 2 makes the most of every inch with its built-in storage shelves and tuck-away chairs. The thick wood tabletop brings a cozy retro charm, while the cushioned seats keep things comfortable for long chats or quick meals. It's sturdy, stylish, and practical, perfect for apartments or kitchens where space is too valuable to waste. If clutter's taking over, these collapsible storage bins are here to save the day. Each one folds flat when not in use, stacks neatly, and even rolls on wheels for easy moving. The lockable design and dual access doors make grabbing what you need super convenient. Perfect for closets, bedrooms, or even RV trips. These bins keep everything organized without taking up extra space. Add a touch of creativity to your space with this tree-style bookshelf. Its tall, narrow design makes the most of small corners while offering 6 sturdy shelves for books, decor, or collectibles. The unique branching shape gives your room a modern yet cozy look. A bottom cabinet hides away clutter, and the durable wood structure keeps everything stable. It's functional storage that doubles as eye-catching decor. If you're short on space, this slim rolling storage cart is the perfect fix. Its 3-tier design easily slides into tight spots between your washer, beside the fridge, or next to your desk. The smooth 360-degree wheels make it effortless to move, while the mesh-style shelves keep everything clean and dry. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a clever little helper that keeps every corner organized. Small space? No problem. This narrow side table fits perfectly between sofas, beside beds, or in any tight spot that needs extra function. It's got 2 outlets and 2 USB ports built right in, so you can charge your phone, lamp, or laptop without reaching for the wall. 3 sturdy tiers give you plenty of room for books, drinks, or decor. Sleek, compact, and surprisingly useful, it's tiny but mighty. Double the charm, double the function. This set of 2 round Ottomans adds style, comfort, and hidden storage to any room. The cushion tops lift off to reveal space for blankets, pillows, or even toys. Flip the lid, and it becomes a mini coffee table for your drink or snacks. Wrapped in soft, tufted fabric, these Ottomans bring a cozy, elegant vibe to your living room or bedroom. Turn an empty corner into something beautiful and useful. This 3-tier bamboo and metal shelf adds warmth and style while keeping your space organized. Use it for spices in the kitchen, books in the office, or plants in the bedroom. It adapts to whatever you need. Each tier can be adjusted for different heights, and the built-in hooks make hanging small items easy. Simple, sturdy, and surprisingly elegant. It's not just a coffee table, it's a complete living room upgrade. This multifunctional lift-top table hides 4 stools inside, ready for guests or extra seating anytime. The top lifts smoothly to turn into a dining or work surface, thanks to its hydraulic lift system. Hidden compartments keep your space clutter-free, and the wheels make moving it effortless. Smart, sleek, and endlessly practical, your living room just got more versatile. Your kitchen just got a serious upgrade. This smart cutting board and knife set keeps everything clean, dry, and perfectly organized with 0 effort. After chopping, just rinse your tools and pop them into the holder. One button starts the built-in drying system. Each board is color-coded for meat, fish, veggies, and cooked food, so you'll never mix them up. Sleek, compact, and smarter than your average cutting board, it's kitchen organization done right. Now you see it, now you don't. This clever Murphy bed hides inside a sleek cabinet that blends perfectly with your furniture. When guests arrive, just pull it out and unfold a comfy queen-size bed in seconds. The built-in charging station keeps your devices powered overnight, while the large storage drawer handles all your bedding or books. Ideal for small rooms or home offices, it's the ultimate space-saving multitasker. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.